reliable is a used vehicle? Well, you got to look at the Carfax for sure. 2008 Honda Civic LX, 1.8 liter front wheel drive. Okay, no accidents, reported to Carfax, 3 previous owners. But look, the last owner only owned it 3 days. Are you serious? What's up with that? 3 days. 19 service records, which is pretty good. Personal vehicle, last owned in California. Actually, oh snap, this one's from Florida, California. And it was in Florida for 3 years. Wow, that's kind of a lot. I'm very surprised at that. But I mean, no accidents, so that's good. But I mean, other than that, I mean, the Carfax don't tell the entire story, but it's good to know the history. It's going to help you a lot when you're buying a car, and obviously, you don't want a car with accidents. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a test drive. This is a 2008 Honda Civic LX. She's got this really cool 2-spoke steering wheel. Awesome. We got our cruise control buttons here on the wheel. Usually the radio controls would be here, but this is just the LX model. She starts right up. She's got a 4-cylinder, a 1.8 liter. She gets 40 mpg on the freeway. Let's take a look at this radio. We just maxed it out to 40. Woo! Thing is loud. AC. AC is feeling cold. Really nice buttons, easy to control. I really like that. Put it to low because we do need some AC going. It's pretty hot today. E-brake. Here's our gear shifter. Pretty clean, pretty clean. It's got 177,000 miles. Original miles to the car. Let's see what this does. Plays with the trip. We just did the oil change, motor oil, transmission oil, just about everything. It looks like it got some wear here. These sun visors, always a problem. This one's good. Got one automatic window, which is this driver's side. All the windows are tinted, which is great. And then it has this stripe here. I think we're ready to go for a drive. Let's take it away. Let's turn on our lights, but I don't think we need them. Got an AC going. Let's turn this all the way. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go for a test drive. Woo! It's one of those cars that when you hop into it, you oh, I just got that on video. I hope. You got to be careful on the road, man. This is not a joke. That's why the first thing I do when I hop in these cars is put my seatbelt on. Oh man, that sucks. I hate accidents. They're just a giant waste of time. Kind of like speeding tickets. Just a giant waste of time. I hate speeding tickets. I got a ticket the other day for, oh my god, I got the craziest ticket. So I drive dealer cars. So I was driving a car like this, and it had Teal's Auto Sales plates in the back, and they were pulling me over for not having my license plates, you know? They pulled me over, and the thing is that I was so close to the dealership, like maybe like less than 30 seconds, less than 20 seconds away. So I basically pretended like I didn't see them and kept driving. I hope they don't use it as evidence, but I kind of did do that, but it was just short amount of time. There was no stops, there was nothing. I drove straight to the dealer. So when I got to the dealer, I literally stopped right there, and they drew their guns on me, man. Drew the guns. They told me to put my hands out of the car. Put my hands out of the car. Oh, hold on, someone's calling. I'm not gonna answer. So they told me, put your hands out of the car. So I pulled my hands out of the car. And then that's when I knew it was real. He tells me, now open the door with your left hand or something like that. And then so I opened the door and I start getting out. I did not say to get out of the vehicle. And I was like, oh snap, dude, I'm about to get shot. This is craziness, you know? I mean, it says Teal's Auto Sales. Ooh, nice truck. So it says Teal's Auto Sales. I'm at Teal's Auto Sales, and I'm about to get shot. He put me in hand. He says, turn around and walk slowly back to me. Puts, you know, get on your knees, hands on your head. Dude, crazy. Let's see what this Honda's got. Woo! not bad. Not bad for a little 4-cylinder. I'll continue my story in a little bit. So I'm going 70 miles an hour. The steering wheel might be slightly off, but there's no shakiness in the wheel. I'm not sure if I can go any faster. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go faster. But it's a good time to, let's hit our brakes. Or actually, I don't want to hit my brakes behind somebody. Let's test our brakes out, make sure they work good. Let me test my cruise control out too. So let's just hit right there. So cruise control is set. Let me switch lanes because I'm going to take this next exit. There's a lot of wind noise. Oh, snaps. Ah, I'm crazy right now. There's a lot of wind noise going on. These older Civics just have wind noise, just common things. Oh, let me slam on my brakes. Oh yeah. It brakes like nothing, really good. I think it's just that accident got me all riled up. This person, there you go. You sure? No, you go, you go. Sure? Her car's broken down or something. I don't even know really what I did, honestly. So they take me out of the car, like I said, on my knees, all the bull stuff. He asked me for my stuff. So my dad comes out of the dealership, and there's like 4 or 5 cops on my ass now, no joke. So let me switch lanes out of this guy's way. There's like 4 or 5 cops on me now. Like 2 or 3, they sit me down on the cop car. There's 2 or 3 officers like talking to me, literally like interrogating me. And then there's another cop because my dad comes out with the license plate and stuff, and so that cop is like keeping my dad back, like, hey, don't get close, we're, you know, whatever, we're working here. Oh my god, disaster. So anyway, they get all the info, and this cop just starts like, they're all kind of just standing around like, give me your license, this and that. This other cop literally starts asking me just a million questions. Why didn't I stop? You know, do I have something in the car? Where's my license plates? What does it matter if I'm here or there? Well, because I told him, I was like, listen, man. He's like, when I saw the lights that were on, there was already nowhere that I could have pulled over. So I pulled over at the dealer. There was nowhere else I could have stopped. And he's like, well, now there's 4 police officers behind you. It's not okay, this and that. He's like, it doesn't matter if you're in Modesto. Or it doesn't matter if you're in Turlock. It doesn't matter if you're 10 feet away, 20 feet away. When a cop puts his lights on, you pull over immediately. And I was like, dude, like for reals. I'm not like some kind of crazy criminal. It's just insane. And then they write me a ticket, and I'm like, dude, like, you're really gonna write me a ticket right now? This is insane. I get the ticket in the mail like a month later. It's $500, and I'm pissed. And I'm just like, Jesus, 500 bucks? So I fight it. I'm like, they didn't give me a ticket for fleeing the police. They gave me a ticket for failing to yield to an emergency vehicle. Hold on, let me go fast. Alright, quick 0 to 60. So they gave me that kind of ticket. They didn't give me a ticket for license plates, which is what they pulled me over for. They didn't give me a ticket for going fast or going slow. I mean, dude, or reckless driving or nothing. I wasn't doing anything. Literally, when I drove, I was going 30 miles an hour, or, you know, slow. I was going super slow. Jeez Louise. So I get the ticket and I fight it. You know, like 2 or 3 months later. Oh, look, there's a whole gang of them. So 2-3 months later, I get the ticket and I go to court, and then they give me a date like a month or 2 later. And court is so ridiculous, dude. You don't go see the judge right now because of the whole COVID. you go straight to the cashiers. And it's like, are you gonna pay? Or are you gonna fight it? Or what are you gonna do? And they tell you, what do you want to do, without explaining to you anything. I'm 30 years old. I haven't had a ticket since I was like 18. You know, I got a ticket for not having my license when I did have a license and stupid stuff. But now it's just so weird. I haven't got a ticket in so long, so I didn't know what to do. It's bullcrap. Complete bullcrap. Well, anyway, good story. I fought the dev ticket. I had to go in a month later. When I showed up, they just gave me a piece of paper. They're like, it's your lucky day, man. The police officer didn't show up. So yeah, if you get a ticket, fight it. Definitely fight it. But I'm thinking like, oh man, hold on, let me go fast. So I'll tell you this is not a very fast car. She's kind of slow, but kind of fast. She's like in the middle. I'm pretty sure she doesn't make a whole lot of horsepower. Back to my ticket start. Oh my God. So I show up and they're just like, it's your lucky day, take this ticket. Which is crap. It's not my lucky day. I literally went to like 2-3 months of stressing out over a $500 ticket that I didn't know how I was gonna pay. They took me out of my car, handcuffed me, put me on the floor. You know, I felt like crap. I really felt like a criminal. And they give me a piece of paper telling me it's my lucky day. It's not my lucky day, man. I don't even know what it is. It's my freaking right to question my own accuser. Am I right or am I wrong? Man, I'm really worked up about this right now. It's got to be that accident. That was insane. Oh my God. That's why you guys always see me going like this real quick. It's because I gotta look before you put your blinker on, then look. Anyway, this car is a joy to drive. It's the 4-door, so you can definitely put some more people, some more space, some more luggage, whatever you need. Commuting wise, it's a great commuter. It gets 40 mpg, 30 in the city. I mean, that's amazing for a 2008. This body style is so awesome. Aerodynamics of the outside are great. I think it looks good. It's true to itself. It's still a Civic. The radio is good. The cluster is awesome. I do like how they did it. And then when you kind of drive like this with the steering wheel and halfway, it just works. And the 2-spoke steering wheel, great. I mean, that's my review of it. I love this car. I think it's very reliable. I think it's very great. I think with good history, good service, good everything, you'll be good to go. Especially on one of these Civics. These are good buys. But of course, be very careful with them. There's a lot of things to check. And the test drive is very important. That's why I'm doing this right here for you guys, so you guys can make a good decision on a car. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Ba, ba, ba.